It is. Marshawn Lynch, beast mode. I think you're getting a phone call right there.
Oh, I am getting a phone call. I'm purling right now. You know what that is?
No, tell me.
I'm going to learn you in a minute.
All right, you got to explain it to me. Well, Marshawn, thank you. How many phones do you have?
I got 2 phones.
2 phones?
You know what I'm talking about? Shout out Gates.
Dude, thank you for coming in. So let me ask you this. How are you enjoying Portland so far?
Hey, man, Portland's been good to me, man. I know this there's a place I have to visit every time I come out here.
What place do you go to?
It's called Steak Bites.
They serve good steak at this place?
Steak Bites.
Steak Bites.
You can't just call it steak. You got to call it Steak Bites.
Steak Bites.
Yeah.
All right. Well, Marshawn, I noticed you got your snacks. Let me ask you this.
Got a donut, bro.
Well, you got donut. Well, it's okay. We're not supposed to talk about everything you just stuffed in your pocket.
Stuff something in my
Okay,
pocket.
that's what I thought.
Well, I got people watching me over here. Man, watch out.
I mean, just Skittles. That's it. All right, I want to ask you, before we start talking about, we've got a lot to get to here. I know we want to talk about Fam1st, your family foundation. I want to talk about the FCFL, because they're already in the chat talking about it.
Is that right?
Yes, it's true.
What you looking at that I can't see over there?
I'm looking at I've got Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, and Twitch that we're broadcasting on live right now.
You finna maneuver through all of that.
I can maneuver through all of it.
So you finna function with all of it.
Kind of, yeah. It drives me a little bit insane sometimes.
Now
Yeah.
I see you really over here watching yourself.
Yeah, it's really just me. That's pretty much, it's only a shot of me. That's kind of what I require, yeah, when we do this show.
That's solid.
Dude, what's a day in the life of Marshawn Lynch like? What is an ordinary day?
You want the truth?
Yes.
The whole truth.
I want the whole truth.
The day in the life for the kid. Let me see. I mean, what I'm doing though, because I mean, my day it consists of many different things.
Yeah.
While I was in season, I got this little schedule. You know what I'm talking about?
Where they tell you what you were supposed to be doing, or?
I mean, you know, as far as the meetings and practice and all that, weight lifting and
Yeah.
treatments and all of that, it's pretty much set in stone. But I probably get up at 6:24 every morning.
Why 6:24?
I like the number.
Just because you like the number 24? That's awesome. All right.
But all my alarms is set up something like that. It's either 24, basically a multiple of 12.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the origin of that? Why do you love 24 so much? Just
I don't know.
at some point,
You know how like some people think like 10 is that perfect number that for whatever reason 24 is that.
24 is the number.
It's that number for me though, man. That it do it for me. And to be honest with you, it reminds me of the 10. So I wore 10 up until I started wearing 24. 23 kind of threw me off when I first got drafted to Buffalo, but I mean, it was the closest to 24.
24 wasn't available? Or?
Yeah, it wasn't.
Yeah, okay.
But it was the closest thing to 24 that I could get to because they wasn't going to let me wear number 10.
Damn, okay. See,
But a day in the life, though.
a day in the life. Oh, and real quick, I think we got to adjust your mic real quick. Just point it up towards you there. This is live. This is the thing. We broadcast live. Digital Trends live every day. And right now we got Marshawn Lynch finding out about a day in the life of Marshawn. So that was during the season. What about now? What do you do right now?
I get harassed a lot.
Do you get recognized everywhere you go?
No, I mean harassed like on my phone. So I still got to get
With
up
both phones?
Nah, just one of them be going off. You know what I'm talking about? Just one of them. You know what I'm saying? But I be getting harassed by B, get harassed by Seabiscuit, Mary Bell, Rail, Fail, Headache, Z. You laughing, but I'm telling you, this is what it consists of.
I believe it.
They all on different time zones, so then it work out better for them. That I just get harassed at all times.
Yeah. So wherever you are, you're gonna get harassed.
I'm gonna get harassed.
Doesn't matter what time. Do you use Android or iPhone?
I use iPhone.
Well, how come?
Because it's like the smartphone for dummies.
Have you ever tried?
I tried Android. That shit is confusing. Like, bro, you got so much shit and so many things to click on and move this way. And
You just like to keep it simple.
Yeah, gotta keep it simple.
Tech for dummies. There's the new the new tagline for Apple.
Sign me up for that.
All right. Paul just said this dude makes life better. So I am following the comments. I'm not just looking at myself on here. There are people commenting in as we go through. Well, let me ask you this. This dude loaded the desk with Skittles. I did. I had to put some Skittles.
Yeah,
up
you
there.
did, man. We got
Okay, and I have a Skittles question I have to ask you here in a minute, but let's get to this. Let's talk about what Darius wanted to bring up, which is the Fam1st Family Foundation. So let's talk about that. Like, when did you start this?
This started what? I'm in year 12. So this would have been 13 years ago.
13 years ago.
13 years ago.
Start the Fam1st Family Foundation.
Yeah, that's
Oakland,
about right.
Oakland and Seattle?
No, it was just in Oakland.
Just in Oakland. And what about now? Like,
Well, I mean, to be honest with you, bro, I can't say well, it started in Oakland, but I mean, everywhere I went, it traveled with me because, I mean, you know, that was what I was representing. That's what I was putting on for. Let me get some water.
Yeah.
That's what I was putting on, though.
Yeah.
Putting on for, though.
Was bringing that with you to help out wherever you're at.
Yeah.
So let's talk about what you guys do. Like, what does it do? What's the goal of Fam1st Family Foundation?
You said, what's the goal?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, to be honest, bro, it kind of just like, it kind of grew as I grew.
Yeah.
But more so, it was to give youth an opportunity to do some shit that they ain't never done before.
Yeah.
And I mean, just, you know, throughout the whole.
Like people growing up that didn't have the opportunities. You know?
Yeah, sort of. I would say for people that grew up the way that I grew up, and or worse, it kind of gave them an opportunity to go ahead and, you know, experience some of the, I'll say, the finer things in life.
Yeah.
Which is, you know what I'm saying, being able to attend a football camp.
Yeah.
You know, that
With NFL players there.
that you didn't have to pay for.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
Because most of the shit when I was growing up, you had to pay for all of this. So
Right, which makes it inaccessible to a ton of people.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, so you do that, and you've got Joshua Johnson, Marcus Peters, also part of that. What about this? Let's talk about your initiative right now. This Phones for the Homeless with Beast Mobile. Actually, why don't we talk about Beast Mobile? Explain Beast Mobile to everybody watching, because the name already is awesome. But let's talk about that.
I mean, well, honestly, like it came to me, right? And I think about for a year, just because it had a cool name like Beast Mobile, and, you know, the information that I was gathering was more so like, hey, you can have your own cell phone company, this, that, and the third. And I more so was like, yeah, that's cool and shit, but I was still, you know, playing or whatever. So I was like, you know, I don't know if that's something I want to get into.
Add that into the mix.
You know what I'm saying? But the guy that I was working with, he stayed persistent in pursuing me to go ahead and continue to do this type of situation or whatever. So then it got to a point where it was like, all right, cool, let's go ahead and entertain. Entertaining. You feel
Right.
me?
Yeah. See what.
So then it came to me like, oh, okay, well, yeah, you'll have your own cell phone company, this, that, and the third. And I was like, well, shit, I'm paying AT&T and Verizon. You know what I'm saying? If I could have my own cell phone company, shit, I could be paying myself.
do yourself.
Along with, you know what I'm saying, though, some other customers getting down with the kid and whatever. So then, you feel me? It was more so like, okay, now let's make this thing real.
Right.
So then we did, you feel me, though?
And so you made Beast Mobile happen.
Right.
Which
So,
beastmobile.net.
Beastmobile.net.
So you create Beast Mobile. Now let's talk about this, the charity that you have going, which is one of the reasons, one of the main reasons he's here right now is to promote this charity, Phones for the Homeless. And we're still going to talk about all the other questions. I see a lot of people joining right now. We're going to get to these.
What's happening with y'all, man? Just want to say what's happening, man. Appreciate you tuning in with the kid. You know what I'm talking about?
Jose
ain't no
says,
kid no more. With the old ass man. You feel me?
Are you feeling it now?
Half of y'all probably out there. Probably y'all daddy, though. You know what I'm saying? And it's early.
You got 2 phones. All right, so Jose says he's a beast of the field as well. He's great. Okay, I'm seeing a couple of questions here. Let's get the Phones for the Homeless here. We're going to come back to that. And I really want to emphasize beastmobile.net. Go there. You can donate right now. But I think a really important question from Sarah Fong. What's in the backpack? You do have your backpack on. I know there's snacks around. Maybe I wasn't supposed to ask that question. I think I just got in trouble. Don't
worry, you all right. But what was you saying? Beastmobile.net?
Beastmobile.net. Let's go back to that. That's what I was saying. We'll edit that in post. All right, so beastmobile.net. Phones for the homeless.
Live on here.
Got it. Is it your phone cracked?
Nah, that's my screen thing.
Oh, your screen. Okay, your screen.
How I go live?
Protector. How do you go live on your phone? I'm going live on Marshawn Lynch's phone. I don't think that's what people want, but all right.
That's all right.
Let's see, video. I'll try to figure it out. Maybe we can grab somebody over here to.
Oh, you don't know how to do it?
Well, I do, but
See, look,
now I'm just gonna take pictures of myself and post them on your phone.
No, you ain't. Them shits get deleted quick.
All right, so we're gonna go live on Instagram. Phones for the homeless. Phones for the homeless.
Yeah. So look,
How can people donate?
so how can they donate?
What do donations go to?
Well, see, the thing about it is, it's already done. The donation is on me
Yeah.
because I'm giving them out.
Right, you're giving out the
it's-
phones.
Yeah. So that's already done.
So what is it that people can do to help Beast Mobile and help Phones for the Homeless?
What they could do is they can log on log on to
Yeah, let me
Beast
press something on your phone real quick.
log on to beastmobile.net, and they'll be able to get the information on there to be able to help out for what's going on. But I mean, you know, ultimately how this situation came to us was because I have a Beast Mode store out in Oakland.
Mm-hmm.
So, hey, how you start a live on this? You don't know? I'm doing it.
I do, but I mean, all right.
But what happened was
Trying to host this.
There-
Time,
there-
you got it. You host.
But all right, I got you. So look, so what happened though was I had a situation where around the corner from my Beast Mode store, there's probably there's a homeless shelter and there's a drug rehabilitation center around the corner, and a lot of the people that's around there on the spot is oh man, we just was talking about creeps. Did you get live?
You wanted to go live. Yeah, you're live right now.
Oh yeah, okay. There, yeah, we in the building. We live. Okay, look, you got people joining.
Creeps. You're the one with 2 phones. All right. What's
I
up?
told you there's one for the plug and one for the hose. Gotta get with it, man. You know what I'm talking about? So look, now we got, okay, hold on, man. Matter of fact, give them a shout out to let them know that they on live, because I see your live ain't smacking, but my live is smacking.
Your live is, all right, this is Digital Trends Live, broadcasting right now, Portland, Oregon. We got Marshawn Lynch in here. Hop on over to Digital Trends on YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Periscope. We're taking your comments. Drop your questions in for Marshawn, and that's what we're doing right now.
In order for your questions to get acknowledged, you gotta, what's the one that you paying most attention to?
Go to our Facebook page, Digital Trends on Facebook. Hop on over there right now. I'm reading the comments. I will ask them, depending on what they are, but he seems to be answering everything, so hop on over there, Digital Trends. All right, there we go. Live Instagram right now.
Yeah, for surely.
All right, Phones for the Homeless. So go there, beastmobile.net.
True.
And that's where you can donate. We'll circle back around and talk about that too. Can we ask some more questions? Because I got some more coming in here.
You got some more?
I got some more.
All right,
Somebody,
all good.
Brianna asked, when's No Script coming back?
When is no script coming back?
Yeah.
Was that a question you just got?
No, that's a question. Yeah.
Who asked you that question?
Brianna?
Where Brianna at? Tell Brianna.
Brianna,
tell her
told
we
me
gon-
not to be a creep. I'm not going to stop.
Brianna, you gonna have to come back and help me get No Script started, because we gonna need some new content, and we gonna have to use you to get some new adventures going on No Script.
All right. So there's the answer to that one.